Hello everybody, Mathmagic here, back again. Today I will solve a system of equations which I guess is one of the toughest questions I've ever tried on this channel. The question reads, find all integer solutions of the system x to the power x plus y equals to y to the power 12 and y to the power y plus x equals to x cube. And we are only given a hint, that is x and y are integers. So first of all, I was trying through and I was going through the sum, I thought that what if I place x equals to 1? Well, let x equals to 1. Well, this is trivial because you can just guess it and do it. So we get 1 to the power x plus y, which is obviously 1, equals to y to the power 12. So from here we get y equals to plus minus 1 as the integer solutions. And in the second equation, if we plug in, we get y 1 to the power y plus x, if we consider this to be 1, equals to 1, which is 2. Now what if y equals to minus 1? You see y plus x becomes 0, which gives us minus 1 to the power 0 equals to 1 equals to RHS. So we got two solutions, and the first was 1 plus 1 and minus 1, plus 1 minus 1. Now I wondered that what if I plug in x equal to minus 1. Now it won't be true, because if I put x equals to minus 1 and consider this even, then only it can be that y equals to 1 and this overall result is minus 1. But in that case, if x is minus 1, y has to be an odd term. Now if y is odd term, now here I told that it is minus 1 only, so I guess y is minus 1. Now guess what, if I plug in x equals to minus 1, then minus 1 to the power minus 2 is 1. It gives us 1 to the power 12, minus 1 to the power 12, and here I get minus 1 to the power 2, which minus 2, which is 1, and here I get minus 1 to the power cube, which is minus 1. Now this part is not matching, so x cannot be minus 1. Now I moved forward and then I found out some systems of equations and some hints. So assumption, sorry for my pronunciation, assumption is that x plus y is odd. Then either x or y is odd. Now if I put x or y is odd, then look at this. This is odd and this is even. So this has to be even, this has to be odd, which is not possible. So obviously this is rejected. So we are only left with x plus y equals to even. And let us name it 2k. Now consider the second form. We have y to the power 2k equals to x cube. So here obviously it refers that x should be of the form a squared, where a belongs to I and here k belongs to I. Okay, now notice that if I plug in, then I get in the first equation a to the power 2 of 2k equals to y to the power 12, which gives us a to the power k equals to y cube, and the second equation gives us a cube equals to y to the power k. This gives us only possible way that k equals to 3. We have x plus y equals to 6, and we have here a equals to y, which gives us x equals to y squared. Now we plug in and get y squared plus y minus 6 equals to 0, which gives us y squared, y equals to minus 3 or 2. So thus x can be 9, that is y squared, y can be minus 3, and x can be 4, y can be 2. Thus we get another two solutions, which are respectively this. And these are the four possible solutions, all possible solutions which are possible for these sets of equation. If you find, mistakenly if I miss any of the solution, and if you find that, please do comment. Thanks a lot for watching the videos. Till then, goodbye.